The sweet sound of regret. I mean, the alarm clock. It's 5 a.m. and the life of a Microsoft Master Trainer begins. First things first, a coffee, because without it, I'm just a hyperactive zombie. As I drink my coffee, I ponder my life decisions. Like, why did I agree to get up at 5 a.m? Time to hit the gym, because if I don't, my muscles will file a complaint with HR.
Create me an exercise routine for boxing for 45 minutes.
But wait, there's more. Not only can I use Copilot to whip me into shape, I can also use my Copilot Plus Surface Pro to record every punch, jab, and hook. Thanks to its front-facing autofocus camera, I can relive every moment of glory and pain later. How cool is that? On my way back home, I grab another quick coffee, because one is never enough. Time to get to work. Let's start by turning on my studio and checking emails on the new Outlook. I never have to worry about missing an appointment or meeting with my Outlook calendar synced to all my accounts, including my personal email. And with my Copilot Pro subscription, I can summarize email threads and even reply to emails I don't have time for. The updated Outlook now integrates with OneDrive, simplifying file sharing and sending. Next, a quick catch up on Teams. Staying connected has never been easier via video calls and messages, all on my PC and mobile phone. Before I head off to the training session, I check on Gus. He's still fast asleep, lucky guy. One of the perks of being a master trainer is training all our awesome retail partners on the latest and greatest Microsoft products. I get a kick out of seeing their reactions and hearing their awesome questions. They keep me on my toes and I always need to stay on top of my game. Back home to prepare for my video, but first another coffee. With my Copilot Plus Surface Pro, I can rock any meeting in a busy cafe without a headset. Voice Focus silences those annoying chatter around me, and Windows Studio Effects lets me impress the people on the other end of the call with my professional vibes. It has so many awesome features like background blur to hide that weird helicopter in the background, eye contact to fake my interest when I can't, and autofocus to keep me in the spotlight. Setting up equipment and packing down sets takes up a lot of time. You'd be surprised how long it takes to organize this stuff. It's important to take some personal time during the day to reset and recharge. Now that Gus has gone for his walk, I can get cracking on today's script. Copilot is not just a pretty face, it's also a brilliant wordsmith. I'm no Shakespeare, but Copilot helps me write scripts like a pro. It saves me heaps of time and sparks my imagination with awesome suggestions. Using Ink Anywhere on a Copilot Plus Surface Pro is a piece of cake. Just grab your slim pen too and scribble away in any Microsoft 365 app or Windows 11 text box. It doesn't matter if your handwriting looks like chicken scratch, it still works like magic. After dinner, it's time to unwind with some Game Pass on my PC. While scrolling through the latest games, I remember to check my meetings for tomorrow. I totally forgot about the early morning presentation. No problem, I can put together a presentation in minutes using Designer. With Designer, I can create a professional presentation in no time. Just add the information, pictures, and choose the design template. Easy peasy. First, I fire up a blank presentation. Then I can copy and paste all the awesome stuff I scribbled down earlier on the day in Word into each slide. To insert pictures into my slides, I hit the Insert drop-down menu, click the Pictures icon, and select an image from my PC, mobile phone, stock images, or online images. I can also use Copilot to create an AI image with a simple text prompt, or jazz it up more in Microsoft Designer with even more cooler AI tools at my fingertips. After I've added all information and pictures into each slide, I click on the Home drop-down menu, then over on the right-hand side click the Designer icon. This will bring up a sidebar menu showing me all the different design templates to choose from. Once I find something I dig, it's as easy as clicking on each slide to switch them over. Designer does all the magic and lays out my text and pictures in a super cool and professional way. A quick check of my slideshow and I am done. That took me minutes, not hours. I'm so thankful I had Designer to help me out.
And that's the day in the life of a Microsoft Master Trainer.
Thank you so much for watching. My name is Shaun. Please remember to like, subscribe, share and comment. Till next time.